Hey y'all, welcome back to another cake tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how I decorate my heart cakes. I'm going to start off by adding my fillings, and right here I'm adding my chocolate ganache. And as you guys can see, I already have a dam of buttercream around the cake, and I actually place it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure that the filling does not ooze out, and also it makes it so much easier when you're crumb coating and adding your final coat. After you're done with your crumb coat, you want to place it in the freezer, and you want to do this each time you finish a coat of buttercream. That way your cake is nice and chill, and it makes it easy when you are smoothing out your cake. And yes, you guys, I am definitely using a drywall scraper, and I'm gonna tell you, this is the best tool that I have found for smoothing out my cakes and getting nice sharp edges. And again, the way that I'm able to cut these edges is by placing the cake in the freezer for 10 minutes, and with the drywall scraper, because it's so sharp, I'm able to cut the edges just how I'm demonstrating. So right here, I'm gonna go with my leaf tip, and I'm gonna pipe all the way around the border. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do a shell border all around the top borders and the bottom borders. The key to getting a nice shell border is you want to squeeze, let go, and then drag the tip. Now going back to my leaf tip, I'm going to go ahead and create these half circles, and I'm eyeballing this part, but if you feel that you're not confident, you can go ahead and grab a circle cutter, go ahead and stamp it on there to guide you. So I'm going to create this nice cute design. I'm sort of creating like a rosette and really elongating the tail, finishing off with 3 little shells. Now going in with a small star tip, I'm gonna use this L reverse method, which is basically creating a rosette, and then when you go to your following rosette, you're gonna do the opposite motion and then repeat. Now I'm gonna place my gold edible pearls, and these are gorgeous. I actually get them from Amazon, and I get them in white, silver, gold, purple, all kinds of colors. If you wanna use the exact same ones, I will link it to the description box down below. Now I'm gonna go with my glitter pump, and with edible glitter, I'm gonna add this all around the cake. And this tool, I also ordered it from Amazon, as well as the edible glitter. And that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy this cake tutorial. Please give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. I will be coming out with a lot more cake tutorials, so stay tuned. Bye you guys.